Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to do a review on this new brush set that I bought from Amazon, and it happens to be a #1 seller. First thing first is this brush set was only $9.99. Yes, you heard me right, $9.99 for 16 pieces, and it's rose gold. Like, who doesn't like rose gold? I'll wait. Who? I love rose gold. So this brush, like I said, this brush set was 16 pieces for $9.99 off Amazon. This is my second time purchasing it, or I didn't purchase it, my husband purchased it, but this is my second time getting it, and the brushes here are amazing for $9.99. Like I said, I've been having that same brush set for over a year and it still works perfectly fine. Now, he just surprised me out of the blue with this other set. I don't know if it was on sale or not, but I guess he just wanted to surprise me. So we got another brush set, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks. Also guys, if you check Amazon, you'll be able to see that this brush set has over 20,000 reviews. And a lot of those reviews were very good on this product. So that's why I definitely recommend using it. So the good thing about this makeup brush set is that it came with the instructions. And if you guys already know from my previous videos, I told you guys I use the brushes for whatever I think it's for. But this actually has an image of what each brush is supposed to be used for. How helpful for me. Because like I said before, I'm not trying to figure out. I just use whatever brush feels comfortable. But this lets me know when I'm doing it wrong. Okay? So this is a guide for you guys so you can look at it and see what brush is for what. And I'm about to go through those brushes with you guys. So the first brush we have, #1 brush, is this angled brush. It's perfect for blush and bronzing. I wouldn't have known that if I didn't have this. Okay, so now we have brush #2, and this is a flat angled brush. And this is just used, you can use it all over your face. Then we have brush #3, which is a face flat brush, and this is good for blending. And like I said, they have come up because last year when I purchased this was not, at least I don't remember it being in there. It could have got thrown out, I don't know. But I don't remember this being in there, and I also don't remember this brush in there because I would have remembered this. This wasn't in there. Don't mind me, I do that to all my brushes because it's so easy for me to like get my eyebrows in. So this one would be a 2-in-1 brow brush. So you can brush your brows and then you can also underline your brows with a concealer. That's what this would be used for. So I've never really used this brush before, but it comes in so many brush kits. And I know that it's used for applying highlighter. I've never used it before. I always kind of just use my fingertips to use that. But this is also included. And this is the powder brush, guys. And this is the packaging that it came in. Okay, let me get back to my brushes, y'all, because I was all over on the brow section. I should have been on the brush section. Okay, we gonna go back, okay? So we have 2 more brushes that are face brushes. First brush I have is the round brush. Okay, so next we have the tapered brush, and this happens to be my favorite brush when I'm applying my powder. I can just literally get under my eye really good and just wipe it off. So this would definitely be one of my favorites. Y'all know, I don't know what, like all of these brushes is the same to me. Like, I know they're not the same to y'all, but they're the same to me because whichever one I feel like picking up, that's what I'm gonna pick up. So we have this brush, which is the angled brush. And then we also have this brush, which is the blending brush. I'm just trying to feel everything and see how soft it is. But this is way better than the Milani that I purchased from my other video, the blending set. This is way better than that. Okay, and this would be the concealer brush that we have. This would be their detailed brush. So this would be really good if you're applying eyeshadows, layers of eyeshadow. I would use a brush like this. And this is gonna be the angled detail brush. And all 3 of these brushes are really for eyeliners. They're very detailed, they're very small. And then we have the lash and eyebrow brush. Now, I've always been confused of this brush because I feel like this is to clean my brows. I don't know why, but I just do. I just feel like this is a brush like for me to, you know, brush my brows once I apply my cleanse on my face. That's what this looks like to me. Because I feel like this is just too hard to me. That's just my own opinion, but I just think this is too hard. The gristles are a little hard. I've never used these types of brushes before. I've never even seen anybody use these type of brushes before. So the fact that it is a lash and eyebrow brush, I mean, some people use it, otherwise they wouldn't have it here. Okay guys, also the packaging includes how to clean your brushes. They're easy to use. I prefer Dawn dish soap when I'm cleaning my brushes. It takes off the makeup like this. I've used so many different ones and Dawn has been proven to be the best one for me. Like literally 3 or 4 wipes and it's done. So that's, go get y'all some. It's at a dollar store, just FYI. But I'm very happy that they do have directions on the back as well. They tell you useful tips on how to keep your brushes looking new. They also tell you how to clean your brushes and how to store your brushes on the back of the packaging. So like I said before guys, I have this brush set. I used it for a whole year. And like I said, I had no shedding. The brush didn't break at all. It was very sturdy. Opposed to other brushes that I have, which this is one of them where it literally is shedding. You can see the hairs coming out. And this was also an expensive brush, but this is the shedding on this brush. So I had the other brush set for over a year, no shedding at all. It's very soft on your skin, so you don't have to worry about any type of harsh brushes like the ones I bought from the Milani set. It was a little hard, like I told you guys. It felt a little rough. These are very, very soft. It's also close to the holidays and I feel like this would be a perfect set to give to someone. So I'm gonna show you guys how the brushes look. They fit in my hand, so obviously they are easy to travel with and they are very affordable. $9.99, you can't beat that, all right? We are gonna put these in use. So I'm gonna probably retire my old set. I don't know yet. I may still use it because as you guys know, doing makeup, brushes get dirty all the time, so it's good to have a bunch of brushes. And I never was like, why people always got so many brushes? And now that I do my own makeup, I see why, because you be kind of lazy. You don't want to wash them right away. So it's like, so I now have 2 sets of brushes that I can use and, you know, just go back and forth on. Okay guys, that wraps up this video. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Like always, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, peace.